Hey favorites, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I'm here today with a tutorial showing you how to make this trending low cut wig. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make it at the comfort of your home using basic items. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Phil Ike. I do lots of hair tutorials ranging from quick hairstyles and affordable DIY wigs. Sometimes I share some hair growth recipes and tips to grow your hair even while styling it. I also vlog on this channel, so if you don't want to miss out on any of these, do subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload videos like this. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of them. I'm so glad to have you here. I'm only going to do a voiceover at strategic points so you can be able to watch and observe what I'm doing. So please, when you're measuring, measure yours to be 11 or 10 inches, right? Because the net is quite elastic, so please make yours 10 or 11 inches. That's if you're going to make use of the net. I also want to say using the net is not really necessary, so you can actually make use of only your wig cap and then crochet. Follow the same method and it's going to come out nice. In fact, it's going to save your time. Honestly, it's really going to save time if you skip this other part, because if I'm trying this wig out again, I'm not going to make use of this, lace I put in front. I'm fighting inside. Some days, I'm fighting inside. Some days, I'm fighting inside. I'm fighting inside. I'm fighting inside. Next up, you need to make sure you secure your cap properly to your dummy head, at strategic places. We're going ahead with our darling kinky. We're going to be using one pack of it. I ended up using only this small crochet pin. That was what I made use of. I didn't use the big one. So for the cutting, I made use of cut 6. Please, if you're cutting yours, cut yours into 5 or 4. You get me? Do that and it's still going to be enough. So I was actually scared that it wasn't going to be enough. Then I cut it into 6. So while cutting it into 6, some parts came out shorter and other parts were longer. So just go for cut 5 or cut 4. I'm fighting inside. Some days, I'm fighting inside. So next up, we are crocheting. I believe by now you should know how to do this. And if you don't know, it's actually okay. It's very easy to do. Pass your crochet pin through your net, then grab your hair, pull it, then pass the hair inside that loop. Very simple. Like, it's as simple as this. Trust me, you can do it. So this is what we're going to be doing for, let's say, the whole head, but majorly, this black side. I said something about the lace in front. Now, if you don't know how to ventilate, like taking the hair one or two strands, please just leave that part. Go with the black net and then crochet around everything. Trust me, it's still going to come out nice. The front is going to come out beautifully. I'm still going to try out this wig, but I'm not going to put that lace in front because it's going to be faster. It's going to take you about, let's say, highest 3 hours and you're done with the entire wig. But if you're going with that front one, it's going to take you, longer because it takes time to ventilate the front. I hope you're still watching this video. If you are, please like, subscribe, and share to someone who would like to see this. This will help YouTube recommend my videos to people who needs to watch it. So yeah, keep on watching. showing this part on camera, I went off camera to continue, right? Because it's really stressful standing to make this wig. So I went to sit down and then I took my time in crocheting. And that's what it's looking like. Now I've gotten to this front part and I want to show you how I did the front part. So this is me completing the middle part. You want to make sure you're doing this crochet closely, right? So that you will not have, bald spots. So some parts will not look scanty.
Some days I'm fighting inside. Some days.
So God knows I wasn't in for the ventilation. So I actually took, about 4 strands of hair, 4 to 5. For the front majorly, so it's going to come out, nice and a bit natural. So as I said, if you know how to ventilate, go with 2 strands, 1 strand, it's going to come out natural. But this is the one I went for. Now for the back part of this front part, yes, I took bigger chunks, normal chunks, because like the same size I used in crocheting the back, that was what I used at this part, until I got to the little part in front where I had to take like little strands. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say.
Some days I'm fighting inside. 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 I'm fighting inside. I'm fighting inside.
Yeah, so I had to bring the camera closer. Now this is that little part I'm meant to crochet tiny hairs to. You want to secure it on your finger, then you start ventilating. I would also call this crocheting because I didn't ventilate anything, man. I think ventilation is when you actually try to make it natural, but like I didn't have that kind of time. Even with this one self, I knew how like I had to just take out my time to do it. So as you can see, I'm going with smaller pieces, but it wasn't too small. So if you know how to ventilate, as I said, make it, two strands or 3 strands. It's going to come out more natural, and trust me, you're going to love your wig.
I'm fighting inside.
Oh, I don't know why. I'm holding myself back.
I'm fighting inside.
Oh, I don't
Some days I'm fighting inside.
I'm holding
Some days I'm fighting inside.
And this is what our wig is looking like. It's looking really nice.
I'm fighting inside. Some days I'm fighting inside.
But at this point, I'm trimming. I was so excited. I was like, it's time to see the actual low cut wig. I want to see what it looks like. And then I was trimming. So one thing I have to say about this part is, don't over trim, okay? Don't over pull your hair while trimming. Just hold it a bit and then trim, so that you won't trim it to the roots of the hair.
I'm fighting inside. Some days I'm fighting inside.
Everything was already coming together. Oh my god, it was looking so fine. Even my dummy was looking so fine. Like, she's slaying, aside from the makeup on her face, period. So there was a little spacing at the back. Then I decided to, crochet some hair to it, so it's going to look natural and, to fill in the gap.
I'm fighting inside. I'm fighting inside. I'm fighting inside. I'm fighting inside.
I really wished I could rock this hair on my own head. I'm wearing a Ghana braid hairstyle, so I couldn't do that, so I had to use my mom's head to do it. So my mom was my model today, and we're going to be slaying it on her head, period.
I'm fighting inside.
hair turned out so beautiful. Like, the outcome was so nice. I really hope you tried this hairstyle. I'm still going to show you how to crochet it on your hair directly. So I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.
I'm fighting